All right, good day, people. Today in this video, I'll be looking at the classification of fruits and how we can classify our day-to-day fruits we eat. And those of us carry doing botany in school or doing biology in school, this video will also help you to classify fruits. So quickly, I'll be classifying fruits in a very simple way, the way it is classified or the way it has been proven generally to classify fruits. Okay, now first of all, what's a fruit? A fruit is actually a fertilized ovary, a fertilized ovary or a fertilized ovary and other floral parts. Usually a fruit, a fertilized ovary or a fertilized ovary and other floral parts. Okay, and if you know the ovary is a part of the female, is a part of the female part of the flower. The female part of the flower, the female garment of the flower. Is usually the gynecium. So the ovary is one part of the gynecium. So when the ovary is fertilized, it becomes a fruit. When the ovule is fertilized, it becomes a seed. So quickly, to save long stories, fruits can either be first fruit or true fruit. Okay, fruit can either be a first fruit or a true fruit. Now, what is a true fruit and what is a first fruit? A first fruit is a fruit that is gotten from other floral parts. So when a fruit is not a fertilized ovary, or rather when a fruit has other floral parts attached to it, those other floral parts are usually referred to as a first fruit. Okay, while a true fruit is a fruit that is obtained from a fertilized ovary. Now, some other term I have to add to it is a parthenocarpic fruit, like the banana, Musia sapientis and Musia parisidiaca, banana and plantain. Okay, a parthenocarpic fruit is actually a fruit that is gotten from an unfertilized ovary. So when an ovary is unfertilized and a fruit develops, we get a parthenocarpic fruit. Okay, while first fruit is a fruit gotten from a fertilized ovary, but other floral part of the fertilized ovary is the first fruit, while a true fruit is the fertilized ovary itself. Okay, now having known that, this true fruit or first fruit can be classified into three. So either of these fruit can be simple, aggregate, or multiple. Usually, the true fruits are best classified into these three classes. Okay, the true fruits are best classified into these three classes. Okay, what is a simple fruit?